What's going on, micro scale garagers? Alright, das87 talk here. Alright, so I rebuilt the axles, so now everything moves again nice and freely because the crazy glue got too stuck, as I was explaining. So now I'm installing the servo, and I think I'm supposed to use this shaft. This was like the last shaft that I had left. It's the last shaft that I had left. So I figured that this was supposed to be crazy glued into the servo. So I had did that, but it fell out. So I got to re-crazy glue it back into the servo. So once I do that, it's a little long. It protrudes out. I'll try and set it in there real quick so I can show you guys. Alright, it's a little long. It's just sitting in there right now. Add a little bit more light. Open up the blinds. But also I got the gears set right. Got in the big gear. No gear, just made sure it wasn't really tight. Now everything moves together. So all I gotta do now is just worry about the steering shaft and then putting the servo horn on. But I don't know if I should use that. And then once I wire this up, then we can wire up the speed controller and the negative wire, the blue wire. Put one of those. The negative wire is gonna go here. The battery is gonna go in here, just like this. So battery, I'll have a wiring diagram that I got off the das87 group, so I'll show that in the picture. And then when we get ready to wire it up, I'll show how to put in the switch, because I want this to be like the normal plug where we're gonna plug it in so the battery don't ever have to be disconnected. And then we're gonna use this plug right here onto a charger. I was gonna grab like one of those nano drone chargers and cut that apart, and then we'll make this into the plug. I'll plug in here that'll charge the car. So that way we don't ever have to take the body off or anything. Be all self-concealed. And this battery, I ended up getting this from a Five Below helicopter. It's 75 milliwatt. Just out of a little Five Below chopper. I'm gonna go ahead and edit the micro scale garage shed video of me working on the go-kart. And also I was messing around trying to make a like a GoPro mount on my cap. Let me know how that looks. We might end up using it in micro scale garage, so I don't have to hold a phone. It'd be kind of like a top-down view like that. So yeah, it's getting kind of sunny outside. I might have to take my Defender out without even putting the rest of the lights in. I like driving it. I haven't even put the super shocks in. I've been tipping over and stuff. I broke the mirrors off, so before the micro rigs run video, I found one mirror. So we got a passenger mirror. Don't have a driver mirror. Still got to wire up the roof lights. Still got to wire some lights into the bumper. It's just been an epic drive. I'm really pleased with Orlando. Sangu, they outdone themselves. I know it's the same chassis as the PJ, but I don't know. It seems like it's a little bit longer chassis, or with that body, it changes the characteristics of the truck. You know. So the next build is gonna be the K20, and we're gonna use that new. I want to get that new chassis frame. I don't know. I don't think it's DK model, but I know it's on tiny4x4.com, and it's an epic steel frame. So, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Stay true to yourselves, you guys. And RC any way you can. I'm gonna go ahead and get my dogs outside. I gotta finish up the go-kart, but I want to work on this a little bit. I'm gonna try to tack some solder onto the speed controller, but with my soldering iron here, I don't think I can. I have to go to the hobby shop and go buy a new soldering iron. But alright, you guys, this is just what's going on in the micro scale garage. A new video coming out for the shed video of the go-kart build. Yeah. Peace and love, you guys.